Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, take a moment and listen closely. This could change the way you think today. Your mind can be your greatest friend or your worst enemy. Every single thought shapes your reality. So feed your mind with positivity, feed it with belief. Tell yourself you can, even when it feels impossible. Focus on what lifts you higher, not what drags you down. Because when you control your thought, you control your life, your choices, your future, your destiny. So today, choose your thought wisely, empower your mind, and watch your life transform. Thanks for watching this video. See you again, inshallah.